In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Zendesk, the complete customer service solution. Tags in Zendesk are an incredibly useful feature when it comes to organizing tickets and streamlining your customer support workflow. They allow you to categorize and prioritize issues efficiently, making it easier for your team to provide top-notch support. Let's dive in and explore how you can add these valuable tags. The first step to adding tags in Zendesk is to navigate to the Zendesk homepage. Open your web browser and type in the Zendesk URL. This will lead you to their main page, where you can access the sign in function. You should see a sign in button on the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your Zendesk account. Remember to double check your details to ensure they're correct. Once you're confident you've entered the right information, press the sign in button again. Once you've successfully logged into your account, navigate to the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage tickets and utilize all the fantastic features Zendesk has to offer. From here, look for the Add button, usually located within the ticket management area. Clicking on this will allow you to start the process of adding tags to your tickets. Now, it's time to create the tags. Inside the ticket management area, you should see a field that allows you to type in any tags you want to use. Begin typing the tag name you'd like to add to this particular ticket, and then press enter. This action will officially create and attach the tag to your ticket, categorizing it according to the label you've just set. When choosing tags, consider using concise, descriptive terms that make sense for your team. For example, if you deal with technical support, consider tags like bug report or feature request. Using descriptive tags will not only help you quickly identify the nature of the ticket, but also enable better reporting and insights later on. Congratulations, you've just added a tag to a Zendesk ticket. This simple practice will make a big difference in how you manage and track your customer support efforts. Tags provide an easy way to filter tickets and generate valuable reports, ultimately enhancing your support strategy. Thanks for joining me today in this quick tutorial on adding tags in Zendesk. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your Zendesk experience. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tags to find what works best for your team. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy tagging.